I just want to, as I often do, record Maternity Forum solidarity and thanks to all of the people who are caring for and supporting people who have or have had COVID, and also who are looking after mothers and babies at the moment. It's much more complicated now with all the restrictions that are on us to keep everyone safe. Also, our thoughts are with the people who've lost their lives and their families and friends at this time. It's very sad and very difficult for a lot of people, and I think it's important to remember that. So a moment for that. Okay. And I'm daring not to bring any political news into the forum, into the hour. So I'm just highlighting there's some really good images and infographics for women and families that are via the Royal College of Midwives website. Really nicely visual, very useful for midwives, for student midwives and women and their families. And there's also Guidance and Risk Assessment Equality Essentials, which is like one of their wraparound papers. Really accessible, very useful for busy practitioners instead of having hordes of papers to go through. And also just a little bit of light-hearted information. For fans of Radio 4's Desert Island Discs, Professor Dame Elizabeth Aninonwu will be on the show this Sunday, and I'm sure some participants will remember her doing a presentation. We had her a couple of times for the forums, and she is a fantastic speaker, so I think it'll be a really good episode of Desert Island Discs, because she wrote her fantastic autobiography, Mixed Blessings, which was and she was actually riveting to listen to. So that's my little bits of news. Now, in this program, we're going to be looking at really overall the effect of COVID-19 on maternity services in the context of what we'll be talking about today, looking at the whole issue of compassion, which is now really in the centre of what we're looking at, which is fantastic for women and families, but also for midwives, incredibly important. Because at this time, I think we really do need to be thinking about how it feels to be in other people's shoes, and the compassionate approach really gives us that. And I really am delighted that I have two such fantastic speakers who have made this a really special part of their lives.
Thanks for watching this video from the Maternity and Midwifery Forum. For more expert opinion and analysis, hit the button below to subscribe.